Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another JavaScript coding challenge session. Today we are going to create an array of functions where each function can hold some value. Okay, so whenever we call that element in an array, then we have to show that value which is holding that function. Okay, so it might be confusing for you. So let's continue to start the solution. Okay, let me take a function first. Const array functions equal to. Okay, so in this, let me initialize a new array. Okay, const func array equal to empty array. Now let me take a for loop because I have to iterate over some set of values to add elements in an current array. Okay, so let me take a for loop for let I equal to 0, I less than 4, a plus plus. So I'm taking these initializations and conditions randomly. Okay, so after initializing this for loop, I have to add an element. I have to add my current element to the func array. Okay, so let me write that func array dot push off. So here I have to push some function, right? So that's the requirement actually. So function, and let me do console.log here. Okay, console.log. So this is my function. Like whenever I try to execute this function, I will get this console. Okay, and now at last I will return this func array. Okay, now let me call this array functions. So first let me show you like what all the things which this func will hold. Okay, like actually the array will hold. So you can see this array holds anonymous functions because like we haven't given any name here. Okay, so these are the function definitions itself. Okay, and now let me execute one of the element. Okay, function, I will take 3 here. So as this is the last element, so func 3, I am taking this func 3 and I am executing that function. Okay, so you can see I am from function located at 3. Likewise, if I do 2 with the 2, we can get the same. So this is what I have to cover, and I hope this solution makes sense to you. Okay, thank you for watching.